Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to add music to WhatsApp status on Android. So the very first thing that you have to do is open your WhatsApp application. And then from here, you just have to go to updates and then click on my status. So when you click on that, it will give you these all of your videos on your phone, on your Android phone. And then you just really have to make sure that that video that you're going to choose or you're going to add as your status has any music to it. Because if not, then you won't be able to add music to it. So you just have to make sure that you screen recorded a video with music to it. So let's say for example, we're gonna click on this one. So this video right here, it has like music to it. So I'm going to click on that. And then once the video is loaded, then you just have to, you can also add like any stickers, any text or any drawing that you want to add on this video right here. You can also add a caption. You can also mention any one of your friends. And then once you're done with all of that, once you're okay with it, then you just have to click on this one to upload your status. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!